Hey everyone! Want to translate Chechen text to English or any language instantly? In this video, I'll show you super easy ways to do just that, whether it's a website, a text snippet, or on your device. Let's get started. Method 1. Translating an entire website. If you'd like to translate a whole website, here's a simple way to do it. Open your preferred web browser, like Google Chrome. Head to the website you wish to translate. In the top right corner, click on the 3 vertical dots. In the drop-down menu, select the Translate option. Now, a small dialog box will appear. Click the 3 vertical dots in this dialog to choose your desired language from the list. And click on Translate. And just like that, your website is translated. Method 2. Translating a paragraph or section of text. For shorter text, here's an easy solution. First, copy the text you want to translate. Open your web browser on either your mobile or desktop and go to translate.google.com, the link is also in the description. Once you're on Google Translate, paste your copied text into the box on the left. In the right box, use the drop-down menu to select your preferred language. Your text will be instantly translated, and you can simply copy the translated text for your use. Method 3. Changing the language of your device. If you'd like to change the language of your entire device to English or any other language, open Settings on your device, it's usually represented by a gear icon. Scroll down to find System or Time and Language, and select Language and Region. Tap Add a Language and select English, or your language of choice, from the list. After selecting your language, click the Next button. Now you can install it to use your selected language on your device. And that's it. Your device's language has been updated. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more tutorial updates. Thanks for watching.